This bout is sponsored by Bud Light, the perfect dealer for whatever happens. Metro PCS presents the champion of our offers, Unlimited T-Mobile Network for $50. And Warner Brothers Pictures, Run All Night, starring Ian Neeson and Ed Harris. One night to settle the score. In theaters everywhere, March 13th. And now, this is the moment UFC fans around the world have been waiting for. Live from the sold-out arena at Staples Center in Los Angeles, California. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, a mixed martial artist holding an undefeated professional record. 9 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighed in at 134.5 pounds. Fighting out of Bloomfield, Colorado, presenting the challenger, Cat Zingano. And now, introducing the champion, fighting out of the red corner, a true fighter, holding an undefeated professional record, 10 wins, no losses. She stands 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighed in at 135 pounds. Fighting out of Venice, California, presenting the reigning, defending, undisputed UFC Women's Bantamweight Champion of the World, Ronda Rousey! Ladies, we know about coming to the back. Wants to fight clean, fight hard, fight fair. If you don't touch the gloves, touch it now. Protect yourself at all times with a lucky hands. Good luck.
The champion, the challenger, a combined 19-0.
Here we go. You ready? You ready? Get on.
Here we go. Tonight's fight clock. Wow, right down. Look at that.
Tonight's fight clock brought to you by Bud Light, Joe. Perfect fit for whatever happens. Ronda wants to make it happen quickly.
Yeah, she gave
There's the arms. It is all over.
Just like that.
Wow. That is way unbelievable.
That's crazy. She got so aggressive. She left her arm out there. And you just can't do that with Ronda Rousey. Man.
I was a trainer, Evan Carver, and he told me that last night.
Man. You know, it's a beautiful sign of respect, but that's an unbelievably disappointing performance for Cat Zingano. She came out guns blazing like that. I mean, let's take a look at it again. We can watch it in real time and see what happened.
Joe, look at it on our Bud Light replay. Bud Light, the perfect beer for whatever happens.
So the fight starts. She comes